In this video we are going to be analysing AVCT because it is always a big one talked about. Again today actually it hasn't moved too much, only being down 3%, but it is a stock a lot of people are always interested in. So what are we paying attention to going forward? So quickly on the longer term time frame, and again we will go over the shorter ones after because these levels are quite far off. But if we get any big movement, we have targets at 350 and 550 as our closest resistances. And on the support, we actually have no support levels on the shorter term, on these longer term time frames. For the reason being, this stock has been in a serious downtrend from around a $47 high down to 78 cents. It's showing how weak this stock is, and it's just given us no supports. And obviously, when you see a stock this weak, always be cautious. It can always get worse. You may be thinking, okay, it's down 99%. What else can you lose? All they have to do is, again, where you get in from, it can easily drop another 90%. And not only that, these kind of stocks, if they're under $1, what you'll probably see is they'll announce a reverse stock split coming soon, maybe a 1 to 10 or a 1 to 20. You'll see them reverse stock split, so it will change to $10 or $20 depending on what they do. But all that's going to happen is they just usually fall again, that 90, 99%, whatever it is. And really, it's just a risky thing. It can always get worse, always be managed. And if you are trading this for anything longer than a day trade, again, be careful. But like we said, there are targets. They're going to be the key ones if we get big movements. But we're going to have to cut down to a shorter term time frame to actually get some levels which are tradable in the near future. And for this, we have a level at them 128 and 115. These are our two closest resistances. Again, be careful coming into here. We would expect to start seeing a bit more selling pressure. On the other hand, if we start to sell off, we have support at 73, 30 and 5 cents. So these would be the key supports, and actually all our support levels that we have going lower. Obviously, you can throw in 50 cents key psychological level. You'll probably see buying pressure come in at this level. If we break the 128, we'll just quickly note a quick another resistance, which would be 150 and 250 and $2. So they're quite nice, especially to the upside. This will be an easier one to trade if we start pushing up because they're on the key psychological levels. You've got the 125 psychological level, 150 psychological level, $2 psychological level, 250 psychological level. They will be the easier trades. Again, I'd be more cautious if you're trading it to the downside. And by that I mean whether you are shorting or trying to take it long as it falls in price, because again, it's just a risky one, I think, especially if you're playing it to the downside. Instead, I would feel more comfortable. I would never hold this as a swing. I would only be looking to day trade it. And if I did, again, it would be waiting for breaks of these levels, coming back to test them as support, and if the level holds, look to get the day trade along to our next or as close to the target as possible. Anyway, that is the breakdown on AVCT. Let me know if you are trading it or if you are currently holding it. Otherwise, I hope to see you in the next one, and that's it. Peace.